everybody. We will continue talking about decision making and problem solving. And we have talked about the people, types of people who make decisions. And now we have the fifth type, which is the enterprising or the adventurous type of a person in making decisions and solving problems. Adventurous people are usually, they are confident, but they are usually hasty, and they make the decisions in a very adventurous way. They take risks and they don't think twice before making a decision. We can have them like they are the opposite of the investigative people who need more time in making decisions. People who are adventurous and enterprising, usually they just go directly to make decisions. They are the fastest in making decisions because they enjoy risks, and the risk for them is something is triggering, it's an enjoyment, and they like to do it in a very fast way. Because they are confident enough, maybe they are overconfident, adventurous people, their decisions are usually risky. So you need to follow the risky people to see the results of their decisions, because usually it's disastrous. People who are good in taking risks can do it well, but not all the people can be good in taking risks. That is why enterprising people usually, when it comes to make decisions, they have very limited list of choices. Even if they have a lot of choices, they just try to shortlist them to go to the the only one choice process, because they like it, they enjoy it. People who are adventurous, usually they go to the extra mile, they go to the extreme of making decisions, because making a decision for them is like a piece of cake, we can say. So that is why they don't need more time from the others. They don't need to think about the human factor. They don't need to think about what is going on in reality. They are crazy sometimes in making decisions. That is why enterprising people, when it comes to making decisions, when they are just, let's say, when they are company managers or CEOs, chairman, whatever, they always take risky decisions, and they believe in the higher you jump, the higher reward you will get. And of course, because they enjoy it, it's for them easy and normal. Maybe for the investigative and realistic people it is unusual, but for them it is really usual, and that is why we don't need to look at them as crazy, because they don't see themselves as crazy. They see themselves as normal. Above all, they enjoy it, of course. Of course, when we talk about the making decisions, when it comes to a person who's enterprising, this person is usually the overconfidence makes him in that risk, and he puts himself under pressure. Some people, they like to be under pressure most of the times, and they can achieve under pressure. For them, don't make things easy. Welcome back. Now, the last type, the last person who can make a decision, we can call him the conventional person. Conventional person, conventional people, they like to follow well-defined rules and regulation. And of course, they can't work in vague situations. They are opposite as well to the adventurous people. Conventional people are traditional. You have to show them the way. You have to tell them what they have to do, and they can't make a decision in an ambiguous situation. So they need things to be very clear. There was a train that is walking on the track, and that train was walking, it has got two tracks. One is the working track and one track which is not working at all. On the working track, there were three boys are playing, and on the other one, the other track, there was only one boy who was playing there. By coincidence, you are there in the control room. Will you make the train go straight on that working track with the three boys playing, or you just transfer the path, the track of the train to go to the path which is which has got the only one boy playing there? Sometimes making no decisions is a decision by itself. If you make a decision to let the train continue, this is right. And if you make a choice, make a decision to transfer the path, the track of the train to that one which is not working, that track which is not working on that boy, this means that you are just making a mistake. Because the kids, the three kids who are playing on the working track, they know very well that the train is coming. And of course, when it is approaching them, they will just go away. While the boy who is playing on the track that is not working, he is not aware, he is not ready to go away because he believes that this track is not working. So he doesn't expect the train to go to go that way. Sometimes making a decision in a wrong way will cause a lot of troubles and problems. So we need to make some balance in making decisions and solving problems. Of course, people, when they think how to make a decision in a vague situation, in this case, we need the investigative person. In this case, we need a person who has got an investigative mind, because we need data, we need information to have things clear and well-defined. And of course, conventional people, they can't work in vague situations, as we said, and they are different from the others because they need things to be very clear to make right decisions. Thank you very much.